Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Plotly is a powerful Python library for creating interactive visualizations, and it provides a convenient way to create inset maps. Inset maps are smaller maps that provide a closer view of a specific region within a larger map. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating inset maps using Plotly in Python. Before you start, make sure you have Plotly installed. You can install it using pip. Let's create a base map as our main map. For this example, we'll use a choropleth map of countries based on a sample dataset. This code creates a choropleth map showing the GDP of countries over time. Now, let's add an inset map to provide a closer view of a specific region. We'll use the insets attribute to achieve this. In this code, we use make_subplots to create a subplot with two columns. The left column contains the main map, and the right column contains the inset map. We customize the layout for both maps and use the add_trace method to add them to the subplot. Creating inset maps in Plotly allows you to provide a detailed view of specific regions within larger maps. Experiment with different datasets and map configurations to create visually appealing and informative visualizations. ChatGPT.